Israel Heshin.
Heshin.
Breslov? Breslov
family,
Heshin.
yeah.
Very nice. Okay, Nesanel Gantz, nice to meet
You
you.
know what those Davis Heshin?
Please tell me.
It's the first family after the Mabul. Noach Shem from Yefes.
Really?
Heshin.
I love it. Okay, so I see you do, it says CIC carpet cleaning. Tell me what you do for a living. Explain the business.
Basically, we have like 5 different businesses under one
The umbrella. Yeah.
So we do, half of the business is restoration. With restoration, I started before the big companies.
Nothing to do with carpets, just general restoration.
Restoration. I mean, if you have a flood, if you have nothing to do with the carpet, could be
Property
could
restoration.
be tiles too. It could
Yeah, I understand. Okay.
be- Okay, and we do carpet cleaning. Basically carpet cleaning. We do upholstery cleaning. We do tile and grout cleaning, and we do rug cleaning. We have a shop that we pick up the rugs and we clean the rugs. And thick rugs.
Rugs.
Yeah.
There's a big industry on YouTube. You know that they take videos of this.
Yeah, I have in YouTube.
Yeah?
Almost 1 million views.
It's crazy. People want to see rugs getting cleaned.
Yeah.
Half of those they fake it, by the way. You know they fake it, but it's in other words,
it's not fake.
they make
By
it
me, it's
dirty.
not fake. You can see.
They make it dirty like a So first of all, you're obviously Israeli. You came to America. Tell me a little background of your story, your business.
Okay, so I had a business from electronics. I was in electronics. כלל.
קודם, I say you're Israeli, אני רואה את זה המבטא שלך. אתה יליד הארץ, נכון? מאיפה?
בני ברק.
בני ברק, יפה מאוד. Okay, so you came to America when?
Came to America 20 years ago.
יפה. And what was your first business
My
electronics?
family is also. My mother's American, my grandmother. Most of my family live here. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you came to America, you started electronics business. What was next?
So I started electronic business. That was like I don't like it too much. You know, they sell cameras, the light, whatever. So you know the business.
For sure.
Yeah, just to sell the warranty and.
Of course.
So then my friend started this business and he told me he has to go back in Israel. So he told me if you want, it's a good business.
He was doing restoration.
He was doing carpet cleaning.
Carpet
not
cleaning,
restoration, just carpet cleaning. He started. He also was a starter. He started. So I was trying it for a year or two. I was not. There was a side business.
Mm-hmm.
I tried and I feel that I can put my
Energies in it.
Yeah. So that's why I start and I start doing the cleaning, carpet cleaning. I see it's nice money. Then potential for upholstery cleaning with the same tools, and then you can do restoration with the same. The way I choose to do I mean, there's 2 ways. There's one way to catch a customer and do the job no matter what the result. There's millions of people in America,
For sure.
and then your survival is not too long.
How many people work in your company today?
Now I have 3 trucks, so that's what I say. So I work with a truckman. They call like all equipment is mounted in the truck.
Uh-huh.
It's like a gasoline engine. I have it here. You can see it. The truck is
Really? Cool.
Yeah, the truck.
I'll come take a look.
Yeah. So and you see the small machine that basically most of the carpet cleaners are working with a small extractor. That's good for a sofa. It's good for a rug, but doesn't do the job for commercial. Let's say like this one. Like big, huge jobs, buildings, Manhattan, what we do. So the truck one is much more powerful and costs almost $100,000. So
What, the unit?
the unit, yeah.
It's based in the truck, it comes out of the truck, obviously.
No, it doesn't come. It's just hoses coming from the truck to the house.
So if you want to do a 3rd floor, 4th floor.
It goes till 6 floors, no problem.
Really? Wow, fascinating. Okay, it's amazing.
Yeah, and then everything runs automatically. The chemicals mix and whatever. You don't have to spill the water. And the ladies don't like it. So.
Okay, so obviously let's talk about your business, right? And your role model. Is this your first year at OGBA?
No,
You here before?
I was last year with the booth. I was 2 years before just visiting.
And did you find that this brought you parnassa since last year?
I mean, people know me. I'm set up business for almost 18 years. So
That's the goal.
Yeah.
The goal is always to expand to more business, right? You always want to do more.
Yeah. But I'm saying, I came here to do a presentation that I'm here. You know.
So my question to you is obvious, right? You know, you do something that's a very important business, right? But do you do residential at all?
Sure, of course. Residential, commercial.
Great. So my question is obviously is that people who have buildings that have carpet still, they have their cleaner. There's no question, right? If they don't have you, they have somebody else. So how are you coming to take over, essentially, right?
First of all, they're switching. They're switching a lot.
That's-
They're trying
again-
this one. They're trying
That's my point. How are they getting you to get you?
to get you. It's like I'm not doing that much advertising.
How do you sell yourself? In other words, why are you
Mouse
different?
to mouse. So people like.
What's unique about your business?
You see the result. I mean, if you see a carpet is dirty, you get clean. Most of the carpet cleaners, they just do a little bit.
It's
10%.
It's such an amazing thing to say.
Zimen shchayrim u'matza levonim, you know?
It's like, what do you do unique? You actually do the job.
Yeah, exactly.
It's
I come
crazy.
to clean the carpet,
That means that
not to clean the pocket.
that means that the barrier of entry is so low. People are really not doing their job properly, obviously. Listen, the old scam of the book, not scam, used to be constant. On Groupon, used to have these deals. $50, we'll clean your house, right? What's the goal? We'll come in, we'll do zero. You want it really clean? We'll charge you X, Y, Z.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
They say, you want to clean it with soap? So how you think you're going to clean it without soap? I mean, to clean, you have to use soap. They do the whole...
For sure.
They want to catch you. It's like a
So
bait.
it's very easy. You actually say your selling point is you actually do a better job. That's what you said.
We actually do carpet cleaning. We clean the carpets.
I love that.
And we charge. We're a little bit more expensive than usual. Yeah.
How do you do?
And I say it, but people want me because they know.
How do you clean better than other people? You have better equipment.
First of all,
Explain.
I have better equipment. I have my secrets from experience, from the time I developed. I put myself into it.
It's very interesting. In other words, you're saying that it says it's the soap, right? Obviously, the chemicals to break up the barriers and the dirt and the grease.
There is secrets, like every business.
I understand. I'm saying it's. But the soap is something that also has to be part of it. Besides for the steaming, at the end of the day, it's steaming, soap, and extraction. Right now, within that, you do a better job.
Chemicals,
Chemicals, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
100%.
So you know exactly what to use when. It's obviously unique, but to build into the brand of getting people to actually use you, right? It's a selling point, right?
Yeah.
I think it's a very interesting business. How do you get your word out there? How do you get people to know about you?
So with the time, people, we live in communities. First of all, I'm not going that far. I'm okay. I do Brooklyn, I do the city, and I'm highly recommended.
You do 5 towns also, I'm assuming,
Here and there. I'm not so excited to be in the traffic.
Here.
I'm fine.
Go ahead.
And I mean, the big places of carpet, they know me. They highly recommend me. So
Final question: how do you deal with stress?
Stress? I try not to have stress. I don't want to swallow the world. Yeah.
Are people still putting in carpets in their houses and buildings?
Sure, of course.
Yeah.
There's a story like a lady called me, especially in the Syrian communities in the Flatbush. She told me for one room, they put a carpet for $20,000, just one room.
Woo-hoo.
One room. And the workers messed it up with the shoes. So the company that installed it called me to save their life.
Wow.
She wanted to sue them, and then I take it off.
I love the fact that you have a classic, real business and it works well. It's a pleasure meeting you, Israel Heshin. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.